Well, in case you didn't know, I actually got my bottles. Yep. And I did film an intro for it when I went to go pick them up, but I can't find that intro, so I'm doing a quick intro for that as well. Let's jump into it and let's get on the road. On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. All right, I'm here with Danny from New Braunfels Bourbon at his house in front of his, his nice little collection here. Apparently he likes rare character. A little bit. So we are about to take off and go pick up the barrel picks. Now, he was nice enough to have me over. We tried a few of the picks that he has here. We even tried the Calvados finish that he already had, and I compared it. So we'll put a video of that out pretty quickly. But we're gonna head over and go pick up my first pick. Pretty excited.
It's a lot of boxes.
It is 20 boxes of each.
I had to load them up in that little U-boat you saw.
Yeah.
So they have them on the floor. It's like, because the lady that helped me was pregnant. She's like, yeah, I can't lift anything. Like, I'll do it for you. So it should be hopefully ready. We should be able to bag into the back of it though.
Cool. We're on our way. Hopefully they'll let us video. We'll see. All right, we are here. Here are specs. Danny's already walking in right there. We're gonna go in, get these bottles, drive home, do a live tonight. I'm pretty excited. Hope you guys are excited to get these bottles too. Let's get in there.
What are you doing, Doc?
Pushing my bottles to the line. Go pay for them. Here's part of my bottles. Here's the first half. They're grabbing the second half right now. Oh yeah. 20 boxes of each. 20 boxes of each. Can you believe that? Oh yeah. So look at the two bottles on top. That's what they look like. And these are some of the boxes. I got more coming, so there we go. All right, all loaded up. These are going back in the box, but nice and full trunk to get home. So I hope you like seeing that little journey with me. As you can tell, I have really enjoyed the bottles. Already killed the Calvados, about to kill the cognac one as well. I have 2 half barrel picks, some still available. So if you want, make sure to DM me or something if you are interested in getting one, or if you tried them and you want a backup, I still have a few left. But it was an interesting journey. I think I'm gonna do a video talking about that whole journey. There was a lot to it. There's a lot going on. There's a lot that I learned, and I didn't see any other videos that ever talked about that, about your first time doing a barrel pick and what you should expect, right? So I think I'm gonna do a video on that, just kind of share that with you guys as well. Well, my friends, thank you for joining me on another journey down my whiskey rabbit hole. This time, my own barrel pick whiskey rabbit hole. To our next journey, my friends. Cheers.